In 16 years' time, Paul's age will be twice his age 12 years ago. What is his present age? So we can let P be Paul's present age, this variable. We're given that in 16 years' time, which is Paul's present age plus 16, this is twice his age 12 years ago. So this is simply just twice his age 12 years ago, which is Paul's present age, take away 12. Okay, so we have this equation. Paul's age 16 years later is twice or double his age 12 years ago. So P minus 12 is Paul's age 12 years ago. Given this equation, we can solve for P. So we have P plus 16 is equal to 2P minus 24. We can move the variables to one side and the constant to the other side. So we can take away P from both sides. So P minus P, this is just 0, right? And then 2P minus P, this is just P. We are left with 16 is equal to P take away 24. Now we can just add 24 on both sides of this equation. And we have P is equal to 16 plus 24, which is 40. So Paul's present age is 40 years old. And that is it.